Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I'm going to be finishing the rose bushes, I hope. Hopefully I'll be able to finish them. This is probably going to be like a really quick video just explaining the remainder of stuff that I did to the rose bushes and to finish them up. So here we go. Okay, so I am back, and although for you it might not seem like a long time, but it has been like a month since I was able to get all of the things that I need to get. So today I'm going to be, hopefully this will be the last video for these rose bushes and they will be done. And I'm very excited because I got some more flowers and it's hopefully gonna be good. So now I have to try and remember how many more flowers goes on each bush. Because I have a bush here, and I'm also going to glue everything in so it stays, stays where it's supposed to be. Okay, figured it out. Each bush gets 12 more roses. So I'm going to put 4 where these leaves are,